Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Gonna do a quick mail call for my bro JBdrum Outdoors. So let's get to it. Oh. Alright, let's check this guy out. Oh, cool. I think he sent me a Christmas card as well. So, Christmas card. Feliz Navidad. Nice. Take a look at this bag. That's a real nice bag. Real nice bag. Pocket here in the front, and I found something in here. Matches, which I scattered everywhere. Okay, that was smooth. So, match case. I'll pick those up in a minute. So, front pouch. Some of the, it's not molly webbing, but it's I forgot what it's called. Webbing. I forgot the name of it. It's not molly webbing, but it's other kind of webbing. Oh, I got another pouch here. I didn't know there was going to be stuff within the bag, but that's a pleasant surprise. So, pretty cool little zipper pouch. There's also a Cold Cracker Bushcraft zipper pouch. This is really nice. Oh. Thank you, brother. So it's got some, so this is a DA Foxtrot waist bag. More compartments behind it. Let's see. So there's a bottle holder here on the side. More of that molly webbing. It's going to bug me not knowing the name of that webbing now. A zip pouch on the side, which is really cool. Inside we have a Freedom hat. Yeah, I'll be wearing that in the woods, I'll tell you that. I'll have to add that to the rotation. I do like hats. And a Marmot hat as well. I actually happen to like Marmot. And then there's a zipper compartment across the top here for smaller items. And then the main compartment. Pretty spacious. And then of course it's got a shoulder bag, a shoulder harness that's removable. That's a real nice bag. I like that a lot. A lot. Bags and pouches are always a huge help. Well, I do appreciate that, brother. That's really nice. I'm sure I'll be using all of this at some point, eventually. But I actually do, like to wear hats, and I love bags, so it's really cool. Very cool. Oh, I forgot a match. I went and picked up all the matches. Put that back in there. Dang it. Kicking a tripod. Alright, there we go. Just wanted to thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.